this device here, which is called an OTG adapter. It only costs like $5, and with that we can connect a USB cable between the Android device and my ESP32. So now in the ESP32 code, each time that we have changed and copied the file from one directory to the other one and we want to refresh the page, we can just print on the monitor. So for example, refresh, the Android app will detect that refresh in the serial in, and then it will refresh the website. That's the communication that I want to do between these two devices. Okay, I bet that you are now wondering why go through all the trouble to make a website, connect the Android device to the website on the ESP32, get the picture, refresh, talk with the serial monitor and tell the Android device when to refresh, if I already have an OTG connection between the ESP32 and the Android device, why not just pass that picture from the SD card through the USB cable and print it on the app? It would be a lot easier. Well, it could be done, but it got a lot more complicated because I had to convert the file to 64 base, then send it through the serial monitor, then use an extension on the AppInventor, which is the program that I'm using to make the app for the Android device, and convert it back to a picture. That gave me a lot of problems. I wasn't able to make it work, so I've decided to just keep going with the option of making a website, which does work for now. So maybe in the future it's still into the to-do list. So instead of using a website, just print directly through the USB cable the picture. But that won't be for this first prototype. Okay, so this is the app in AppInventor. This is the web browser and some labels to just print something on the screen.